How banks operate. A beginner's guide to banking services. Understanding how banks operate is crucial in today's financial world. Let's break down the basics of banking services. What is a bank? A bank is a financial institution that accepts deposits from the public, provides loans, and offers various financial services. They act as intermediaries between those who have excess funds and those who need funds. Types of banks. Commercial banks. Commercial banks are the most common type of bank. They provide a variety of services including checking and savings accounts, loans, and credit cards. They primarily cater to individual consumers and businesses. Investment banks. Investment banks assist companies in raising capital in the financial markets. They help with mergers and acquisitions, underwriting new debt and equity securities, and providing advisory services. Central banks. Every country has a central bank that manages the nation's currency, money supply, and interest rates. They also oversee the banking system to ensure stability. The Federal Reserve in the US is a prime example. How banks make money. Banks have several ways to generate profit. Interest income. When banks offer loans, they charge interest on them. This is a primary source of income. The interest charged is typically higher than the interest paid to depositors. Fees. Banks charge various fees for services such as account maintenance, ATM usage, and overdrafts. This adds another layer to their revenue. Investment. Banks also invest in securities and other financial instruments. The returns from these investments provide additional income. Banking services explained. Deposits. Banks provide a safe place for individuals and businesses to hold their cash. Customers can open different types of accounts, such as loans, checking accounts, for daily transactions, offering easy access to funds, savings accounts, designed for saving money, earning interest over time, certificates of deposit, CDS, a time deposit that yields higher interest rates. Banks give out different types of loans, including credit and debit cards, personal loans, unsecured loans for general purposes, mortgages, loans specifically for purchasing property, business loans, financing for businesses to grow and expand. Banks issue credit and debit cards that provide access to funds. Credit cards allow users to borrow money for purchases, while debit cards withdraw directly from their account balance. Online and mobile banking. With the rise of technology, banks now offer online and mobile banking services. These allow customers to manage their accounts, transfer money, and pay bills from anywhere. The importance of regulation. Banks operate in a heavily regulated environment to ensure the safety of deposits and maintain stability in the financial system. Laws like the Dodd-Frank Act in the US are designed to prevent risks that can lead to financial crises. The role of trust. Trust is fundamental in banking. Customers must feel secure about their money. Banks work hard to maintain their reputations and comply with regulations to foster trust. Conclusion. Understanding how banks operate is essential for making informed financial decisions. From the types of banks and services offered to their profit-making strategies, each aspect plays a vital role in the economy. Knowing how banks function can empower you as a consumer and help you navigate your financial future. Ready to elevate your treasury expertise? Become a Global Banking Hub member to access exclusive courses, earn certificates, and get personalized feedback. Join now at www.globalbankinghub.com.